Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. Hello, my amigos. Let's put this out of phase. Hello, Angel. Let's get you where you guys can see that. Maybe over here might be better. So I just put these guys out of phase and let's turn it up a little bit. Get it out of sine wave, we'll hit it with square. A little rougher. Now let's go up. They say the Schumann resonance is about 7.8 on up to about 40. So let's go ahead and get it up to 7.8 to see what, and it's going to be a sine wave. So let's put it back to sine. All right. Be a little easier on the speakers. There's 7. Let me put this this other one back in phase so it doesn't mess your eyeballs up. Okay, so now they're both banging at the same time. Let's go up to 8. Step up the voltage a little bit. Now we're going to get them to a point. We're going to step up. You guys can see that, right? We'll go up. All right, at 15 hertz. Kind of hover past. They probably go less up and down as they would at 14. Here's 14. Here's 15. Can you guys hear the pitch? Bounce it out of sine, put it in square. Fire and Hall. Going in megahertz now. Let's go to kilohertz. No, I am right here. So the difference between this speaker and this speaker is that round piece of PVC that goes around has a bigger diameter glued to the woofer on here, and here has the center of the woofer is only thing touching. This is the experiment that I wanted to see if there would be a difference. And you can see right now, it's time to run for the hills. You see that one's juiced up, and it's all around the nuclei of where it comes in. And you see it acting up on the outside perimeter as well. Like that's become a node in the middle. Over here, it's pouring off like a waterfall steady. You see that? That made a nice circle. Let's tighten it up, the circle. Look how the circle's tightening up. It's pulling in. But as it's pulling in, that side's going out. Now the center of it become alive. Now you can see both sides of the hump are feeding. Kilohertz. Right now we're doing the overtones. Let's go back to megahertz. And let's start off low and work our way up. Nothing going on. Uh-oh. $113. I don't know what's going on. Too fast for the transistor. Hello, William. All right. You guys are going to like this one. All right, so we're going to turn over to this side. And we're going to use the same setup. We're going to use the we are going to use the signal generator. And we're going to put it right over here. Now, by these experiments I'm going to show you right now, really come into play on knowing the frequency of a coil. So we're coming off of 2N3055, all right? And we're driving that with the SIG generator, all right? And I wrote down some frequencies of these coils. This one I can never get to work because it's too skinny, you know? But I was able to get it to work now. I have the bottom part of that coil connected to earth ground, okay? Right here, the wire, that's the bottom of that coil. And the top of that coil is connected to nothing. The primary, we're going to connect the ground of the transistor coming out of the collector, which is going to be, can you guys see that? It's going to be this white one, it's the collector. So we're going to just let's put this up here so we got a good place where it sits. And then we're going to connect these two wires. And that's our ground to the primary wire. Alright, let me see what you guys can see from here. Let me get you taller. That's the ground to the primary wire. And we need to be able to see the SIG gen and the top. Alright. SIG gen's going to have to become... Alright, we're coming off the positive wire. Where would that be? I'll connect that to somewhere on the primary. Connect that together. And I need to make it over here somehow. There's the positive. So the positive out this wire. There should be. Alright. So right now we're going to connect this Tesla coil up, and what we're going to do is drive it by, we're going to pick the frequency, and we're going to get this thing run doing wireless. And I have neon light, and I also have this somewhere. I got this little LED. And I just got that coil there. So right now we're gonna turn, I guess, let's get you to see sig jam. Can you see the sig jam? Can you guys see the frequency in there? Can't, can you? Can't see that at all, can you? Holy crap. Some badass light. So let's look at my notes. Alright, my notes was in kilohertz. This is the skinny mini. So in kilohertz, we'll set this to kilohertz. We're going to go 0, 8. Let's see if it fires up right now without the rest of the stuff. Got to put the power on. All right, there we go. So I'm going to tune it in even better now. You see that light lighting up? Let's go with this. Oh, you guys can't even see up there. Heck, let me get you up there. So we're in kilohertz right now. There's wireless there. There goes the neon. So let's go ahead and turn it off for a second. Turn power down. And let's put a top load on it. So in order to match the top load, how you would balance this out, I'd have to move my primary. So the bigger the top load, the closer the primary has to go in. So let's dial this into the numbers first. There you go, can't see that. That's a shame, huh? You guys can't even see the damn. That's wild. I can't see it, you guys can't see it. So let me dial the number in I'm supposed to be at. So I'm supposed to be at 0.8, this is in kilohertz. 0.8, we're gonna go 5, 9, and then 0.0000. And we're gonna be in the square wave. And this coil in kilohertz comes alive. Let's go back over here, and we're going to tune it in. And by doing so, we'll move in the primary connection. Huh. But I'm not messing with a bunch of high voltage, huh guys? Let's put on the other coil. This one's being stingy. I never did like that one anyway. It always had attitude. This one's always been a a good one. At least for the 15,000 volt NST. Top load. So, yeah, we're back, Marker. I don't know. I guess once it start kicking in. Right now we're at 853,000 kilohertz. Is a square wave, and I'm walking around with an LED lit up, a little antenna. So it's pushing some good wireless right there. So for you guys who are just getting into the Tesla stuff, feel free to ask for schematics on how to just get a coil. You can get any coil that's in your shop that you wind, and you can tune it and dial it in. This is with no top load right here. We're putting see it getting brighter. So I'm moving the frequency around. So let's go in the AM bandwidth. So let's go to 1400. Nope. Not going to do it. That's pretty good. Now I'm back up to 9. Nine's the number. Nice and strong. Is the wireless shagging you guys on and off? That's what happens when we do the wireless experiments. It definitely messes up with the signal. It's taken from the brightness. Now it's back. So this is all running off a signal generator. This is not rocket science. For you guys that haven't done it and want to do it, leave your comments and I'll get back to you. Post up how to do this. Write out a schematic for you. That's with no top load. That's with no capacitors. Using a SIG generator, going into a 2N3055, and I'm biasing the base and the emitter to be the switch, and the casing and the emitter, with the casing's the collector and the emitter, are controlling the 24 volts, which I'm using this DC controller right there, and for the voltage. Now it's off. Quick little easy Tesla experiments there. LED is on. Yeah. Attaching itself to the framing of the house. Let's try over here. See if it's going to the drip edge. Nope. No drip edge. That's pretty good distance right there. There's my little antenna. LED's lit up, wireless, no top load on. Running off a SIG generator into a 2N3055 using 2 car batteries. So we got that frequency that I had to run through, and it became that 859. Well, 216, I think I wrote these backwards. So right now, what's going on? We are hitting the primary, and every time that event happens on the primary, it pushes a wave up the coil and back down. Now remember, that coil is touching ground. That secondary that's putting out the signal is not even touching the primary. There's no connection at all. Remember that, very important. You could hook that up and probably get stronger results, but to me, then you're connected. Right now I'm getting the induction. I like that better. Big difference. We'll get back to doing some more cymatics. So much to learn, guys. Not enough time. got to go do family. Everybody, have peace out. Love y'all. Leave your comments. I want to know your experiences with these results and ones you find in your shop. Thanks, Baron. Cheers, Angel. Have a good night, Jason. Good video, by the way, Angel, this morning. Peace out.